everyone, and welcome back to my studio. I hope you're having a good day. Welcome to another Friday with Friends, Challenge or Be Challenged. Now tonight our special guest is Lori with ArtLor, and she has challenged us to do a bloom blowout and spin any colors we want. So let's get down to the canvas and see how this goes. Okay, I'm going to be working on a 14 by 14 canvas. It is taped. I did put on push pins. I've put an extender board, which is some foam board, onto my spinner to help because of the size, so I can spin this out, since that's one of the requirements for this. Today we're going to use Sherwin Williams Colors to Go in Golden Plumeria as our base. My cell activators are titanium white and permanent blue violet from Amsterdam. And most of my colors, all but one, are Hippie Crafter mica powders. I have a batch of colors that I haven't used yet. So this is Robin's Egg Blue. So pretty. Lilac. I like that one. Sea Green. That's that one. They're all so shiny looking. Pthalo Blue. Silver Gray. Pure Red. And then ones I've used before, we have Light Yellow, Wine, which I really love this one. Look at that. Ooh, pretty. And Rose. Oops, brought the lid with it. And then I also have a little of this Master's Touch Paynes Gray left, and I may throw that in just for some contrast. That's a lot of colors, but this is a big thing, and I'm not sure if I'm going to blow from the center out in all directions, which I think is what I'm going to do, because I think that'll spin best. We're going to see. We'll give it a try. I haven't done one of these in a little while, but it'll be fun. Alright, so this is our Golden Plumeria, which we're going to throw in here and spread out a bit. You know, the corners are always the hardest to get on a square canvas. So you definitely want them to be a little damp ahead of time. Okay, let's start laying some colors down. And we got a lot of colors here. Put our white cell activator . And the blue violet cell activator . Let me move some stuff back a bit. Let's blow this. Whoa, okay. That's looking cool to start with. I'll let that sit for just a sec. Do its thing. That was naughty. I just ran that right through there. I'm not sure I can fix that easily without just making it worse. So mad about that. Alright, well, I repaired some of it. Some things you just can't fix. Alright, we're going to try and tilt everybody that way a little because it's a little lopsided here. Push everybody that way a little bit. Let's get that. Let's try some spinning. I'm just spinning gently because I don't want it flying paint everywhere. It's moving on its own very nicely without me having to go too crazy. I still have a little way too much paint on here, so we're just going to spin a little more. But the shine is beautiful. Oh, so much shine. Let's see how we're moving now. Still moving a lot or just moving a little? You want to make sure that you spin until you're not moving fast anymore, so that you know you've gotten enough off. Because if you don't get enough off, it'll be too thick I mean, it will crack because the underside and the top won't dry at similar enough speeds to prevent you from getting a crack. Oh man, I am really, really happy. Oh, the colors, the shine. I think I finally have enough off of this because I'm not seeing a lot of movement. No. All right. Whoa, gorgeous. Okay, I am going to clean up some of this mess, pull this off the spinner, and then I will bring you in for some wet results. Okay, let's go for some wet results. Look at this. Oh, I hope this dries well. I am so glad I used all those colors because they're all showing, and I hope they all continue to do so. Look at that little burst of that red right there. The phthalo blue. There's another little burst of the red. I love how that's like coming in little bursts. But you can see the green, you can see the lilac, you can see the phthalo blue, you can see the wine. You can just see everything. Oh. All right, let's hope this dries well. Okay, we have dry results. Now I'm hoping to cut down on the glare here a little because there's quite a bit of shine. You really can see all the different colors. Just, oh, the lines all held beautifully. Look at these colors in here. Oh, so pleased with it. These little pops here of some of the brighter colors that are just standing out. Really, really pleased with the results on this one. So just to show you the shine on this one, I've pulled it out here into the brighter light. But just look at the shine on this. What? Oh, yeah, all over sparkle and shine. Really love it. Ooh. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you know when I upload more videos. Now our special guest this week is Lori with ArtLor, and she should have been before me. After me is Janet with Acrylic Creations by Jwitty. So please follow along the train and have a wonderful weekend, everyone.